mathematical skills and problem solving. Okay? Now, so this is session 3. Okay? So, this afternoon we will be looking at into the curriculum of the revised curriculum of the LS3. Okay? So, yeah, yes. So this is focus on professional standard, which is on domain 1, content knowledge and pedagogy, and also we have curriculum and planning. Okay? Curriculum and planning. So, these are our objectives for this afternoon. We have identified the key revisions in LS3, the mathematical and problem solving skills, analyze the key shifts, how the curriculum shifts from the 2019 curriculum to the revised as curriculum, and also determine instructional applications with the changes in the learning strand. Okay. So,
Mag-star ka
so what's the next thing?
Lantog.
Which is the 2019 K-12 basic education curriculum. Okay? So we have this focus. No? So we have focus. Mathematical and problem solving skills applicable to real-life situations. And the major contents are numeracy skills, number and number sense, geometry, measurement, patterns, algebra, and statistics, and probability. Of course, the content the performance stars aim is for functional literacy. No? Sa una naman na goal for our learners, even in the formal school, that we are expected to produce learners who are functionally literate. Okay? So, ganun sa mga talagay nyo na functional literate ang learners? Learners functional literate. When there is comprehension, what else? Okay, when life is improved, that means functionally literate. What else? Idea. Ano sa tawag kaingon na functionally literate na katong learners?
Well organized.
Well organized. Okay? So, pag yun, okay, can express his own idea, no?
There is initiative.
Can communicate. What else? Solve problems. Solve real-life situation problems. It means that we say they are functionally literate. That means that he is able to use the knowledge that he has in his daily life activities. Okay? So, na-apply niya siya ang adlaw na panginabuhi o sa iyang natunan. That is what we call functional literacy. Okay? Now, for the revised ALS curriculum. Now, we have here, this is what the congested version of ALS 2.0. Okay, there is the congestion. Now, get to look at here the major contents, daghan siya contents, di ba? Sa atong ALS 2019 curriculum. But in the new one, we have emphasis on problem solving, still in problem solving, logical reasoning, of course, with the integration of 21st century skills. Okay. So, dili, ang ato naman dili kay sa daan, kuan lang, functional competency. No? We expect them to become functionally literate in mathematics. But here, we have here that they become emphasis on problem solving and of course with the 21st century skills. So, but what you to look at here, there is what we call, there are 3 domains. Unlike diri nga daghan kayo focus contents, diri tulo ra, number and algebra, measurement and geometry and data and probability. Then, of course, introduces contextualized applied learning. Okay. So, muna yung nakalahi. Dili, may lang ka, dili, functional literate lang ka. Dili, what happened here, this is contextualized. What do you mean by contextualized? This based on the context of your learners. Kung unsa ang nasa, they are able to utilize what is in their what locality, what is available. They are able to maximize the utilization of what is available. Okay? So that is it. Now, if we are going to look at the framework, tanaw na itong framework. This one is the 2019 curriculum. So this is one here is